Meet the Carenuity Triple Adapter, your ultimate companion for building IoT projects with speed, simplicity, and creativity. Designed for makers, students, and professionals alike, this versatile adapter is here to revolutionize your prototyping experience. At its core, the triple adapter allows seamless connections between your D1 Mini or Carenuity C3 Mini microcontrollers, sensors, and OLED displays. Forget about complicated setups or messy breadboards. With its plug-and-play design, you can focus on what matters most, bringing your ideas to life. Imagine creating an oximeter to monitor oxygen levels, or a hygrometer to track humidity and temperature, all within minutes. The adapter is ideal for these projects and more, offering flexibility and ease of use like never before. Every Carenuity Triple Adapter includes 3 pairs of pin headers and a dedicated pin for I2C connections, making it compatible with 0.66-inch and 0.96-inch OLED displays. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll appreciate the simplicity it brings to your setup. The adapter also supports soldering for a sturdy connection. Follow along with our simple soldering guide to ensure your components are securely in place. Once ready, just plug in your components. Stack your Carenuity C3 Mini, a DHT22 sensor, and a 0.66-inch OLED display, and watch as your device comes to life. The triple adapter eliminates guesswork, letting you build and test with confidence. Need inspiration? Use it to create a compact weather station or monitor room conditions in real time. The included BMP180 sensor makes tracking temperature and pressure a breeze. What's more, this incredible adapter is available for just €1.20. Yes, you heard that right. Get yours today from the ChipGlobe shop and start building smarter. The Carenuity Triple Adapter is all about innovation, affordability, and accessibility. Why wait? Order yours now and take your IoT projects to the next level. Carenuity, innovating for a smarter future.